Hi, and welcome to the next section, Essential Data Frame Operations. In this section, we will cover some important topics like selecting multiple data frame columns, selecting columns with methods, ordering column names sensibly, operating on the entire data frame, chaining data frame methods together. After that, we will move ahead to see how to work with operators on a data frame, compare missing values, transpose the direction of a data frame operation, and determine college campus diversity. Let's move on to the first video of this section, selecting multiple data frame columns. In this video, we will select all the actor and director columns from the movie dataset. Selecting a single column is accomplished by passing the desired column name as a string to the indexing operator of a data frame. It is often necessary to focus on a subset of the current working dataset, which is accomplished by selecting multiple columns. So to start with, we first read in the movie dataset and pass in a list of the desired columns to the indexing operator. The data frame indexing operator is very flexible and capable of accepting a number of different objects. And with the third line, we print the result using the head function. Just have a look at the output and the column names. If a string is passed, it will return a single-dimensional series. If a list is passed in the indexing operator, it returns a data frame of all the columns in the list in the specified order. There are instances when one column of data frame needs to be selected. This is done by passing a single element list to the indexing operator, as I do in this line of code. Now, passing a long list inside the indexing operator might cause readability issues. To help with this, you may save all your column names to a list variable first, which we have named as cols. And then we pass the same variable to the indexing operator. Finally, we print the result. You can notice that this code achieves the same result as step 1. One of the most common exceptions raised when working with Pandas is key error. This error is mainly due to mistyping of a column or index name. This same error is raised whenever a multiple column selection is attempted without the use of a list. For example, let's run this line of code. Since we did not specify the list here and passed the names directly, it returned a key error. This is a common error to encounter, as it is easy to forget to place desired columns in a list. You might be wondering what exactly is going on here. The 4 string names separated by commas are technically a tuple object. Normally, tuples are written with open and closing parentheses, but it isn't necessary. For instance, look at this line of code. Another way to write tuple is this one, where we do not use parentheses. Also, you can compare 2 tuples with the equal operator. Now, what happened previously when we got the error? Pandas were trying to find a column name exactly equal to this tuple. It failed and raised a key error. In this video, we learned how to select multiple data frame columns.